This is problem 1 of the geometry end of course test practice test. Circle J is located in the first quadrant with circle AB and radius S. Felipe transforms circle J to prove that it is similar to any circle centered at the origin with radius T. Which sequence of transformations did Felipe use? First thing you need to know is that two figures are similar if a similarity transformation exists that maps one to the other. And what is a similarity transformation? It's a series of rigid and non-rigid transformations that map one figure to another. So what we want to know is, can we map circle J to this circle with center at the origin? Let's call it circle O, a series of rigid and non-rigid transformations. Rigid transformations would be translations, reflections, rotations. Non-rigid transformation would be a dilation. So the question says, which sequence of transformations did Felipe use? So you can just go through each possibility and see if it works. So it's helpful to draw a picture of the situation. So let's draw circle J in quadrant 1. The second circle, circle O, has center at the origin, and its radius is T. If we can use a series of rigid and non-rigid transformations to put this circle J on top of circle O and then dilate circle J so that it's the exact same size as circle O, then we will have proven that these two circles are similar. Test this first series of transformations. Translate circle J by x plus a, y plus a. So if we translate circle J, if we slide circle J over a units to the right, we're just going to double this length here. Right now, circle J is a units over to the right, so it's going to be, let's say, right here. And then we're going to add b to its y coordinate. So we're going to double this vertical distance also. So it's going to be up here somewhere. And then we're going to dilate it by a factor of t over s. So if we're moving it over here, we're not mapping it to circle O. So this would not be the correct series of transformations. So let's look at option B. Translate circle J by x plus a, y plus b again. And again, that's not going to work because that's going to put it over here somewhere. So that does not work. So let's look at option C. Translate circle J by x minus a, y minus b. So if we take J and we subtract a from the x coordinate, that will make the x coordinate 0. And then if we subtract b from the y coordinate, that will make the y coordinate 0. So we have the circle in the correct place. So right now the circle is here with radius S. So we've mapped the two centers to each other. Now we need to dilate circle S so it's the size of this circle O, so it has radius T. So this option says dilate circle J by a factor of T over S. So if we multiply this radius S times the scale factor of T over S, you see that we get a radius of T. So this does work. This sequence of transformations does work to map circle J onto circle O and prove that these two are similar.